Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Throne and Liberty disconnected from server on PS5. Method 1. Check server status. Using a web browser on mobile or PC to visit game homepage. Next, go to support page. Here, you can view detailed information about the status of the game server. If the server you are playing on is not in a good state, then this is most likely the cause of this problem. And you won't be able to do anything else if the server is in maintenance status. Besides, NCSoft developed a Discord bot for Throne and Liberty that sends updates on server status. You can use the command /servers to show all servers at once or use /subscribe server to select your server that you play on. It will then automatically post when the server is back up or down for maintenance. Method 2. Stay up to date. The PS5 system software update is important because it helps to fix bugs and improve the performance of your console. So, if the disconnect error is caused by an incompatibility issue or even system file corruption, updating the PS5 system software can resolve that. Otherwise, you should check for a game's updates and version manually. Outdated versions can be problematic, and it's wise to resolve the issue sooner rather than later. Method 3. Restoring licenses. Going to the settings menu of your console. Go to Users and Accounts and select it. Select Other. Select Restore Licenses. Once done, try check if problem is gone. Method 4. Use manual DNS and MTU. To do that, just go to Settings. Select Network. Select Settings. Select Set up Internet Connection. After that, go to your Connected option depending on how you connect. It can be the Wi-Fi or LAN cable. Next, press Option button on the controller. Select Advanced Settings. Go to DNS settings, then press X button on the controller to select it. Select Manual. Here, I will use Cloudflare DNS. So, I will select Primary DNS, then type 1.1.1.1. Next, I will select Secondary DNS and type 1.0.0.1. Additionally, you can also try with other DNS such as Google DNS, OpenDNS, etc. Once done, select OK, then check if disconnect error is gone. If not working, one more time, come back here. After that, go to MTU settings. Select Manual. Select MTU, then change the value to 1473. Select Done. Select OK. One more time, check if disconnect error is gone. Method 5. Restarting your PS5 console. Just turn off your console. Then unplug the console from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the console back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the console. Try play the game and see if the problem is fixed. Method 6. Restart your router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your PS5 and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 7. Try use other network. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. Then check if the problem is gone. If using other network work for you, then come back connecto to your network and everything should work. Method 8. Uninstall and reinstall the game. Check to see if you are using the beta version of Throne and Liberty. If so, please uninstall Throne and Liberty beta, then reinstall Throne and Liberty official release version. Method 9. Reset network settings. On your console, go to Settings. Go to System. Select System Software. Go to Reset Options. Go to Restore Default Settings. Now, enter your console's passcode. Select Restore to complete the process. Method 10. Factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button. Wait for the router to power back on and check if the problem is gone. Finally, if the problem still occurs, then please contact NCSoft support team and let them know about the problem. In my opinion, the NCSoft publishing team needs some time to optimize the game, as well as the bandwidth of servers. So what we need to do now is just wait patiently before the patch is released. That's it, guys. Hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.